What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is your boy Hemi Life. Thanks for tuning in once again. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today's video, we're gonna finish up the boat. So there she is right there. She's a little dirty from the drive home, as you guys can tell. Today there's still some snow on the ground, but as you guys can see, the sun is blazing. So we're gonna pull her out. Just check the water is not frozen. We're gonna put this pressure washer to the test, and yeah, we're gonna wash her. We got the key. Haven't showed you guys the key, but it is color matching with the car. So let's go ahead and give it a start. Doesn't want to work. There you go. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and grab our stuff and wash it. Let's get to it. Alright guys, we just got it rinsed off, got all the major dirt off of it, major snow that froze on it. So now, what I'd like to start off with, we're gonna take our Adams tire rubber cleaner, our Adams wheel cleaner, our different variety of brushes, and we're gonna start on the wheels. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we got the driver's side tires all cleaned up and wheels, and decided to take you guys along with the other side. Still a little dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and set this camera up right here. Hold on guys. So first I like to start with the tire rubber cleaner. Then the wheel cleaner. Alright, make sure to get inside the barrel. Then I get my tire brush. Once that's done, I get my barrel brush. Once that's done, I get my wheel brush. Then I get my final brush and I get inside the wheel lugs. Now I move on to the other side. Final step is to wash them down. Now we're gonna take a break. My mom decided to call me and make some burgers for lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna smash. Look, they locked me out of the house. Ding dong. Ding 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 ding. See you guys in a minute. And we're back outside, people. So we're gonna start off. We're gonna move this head like so. Filming and doing with one hand is hard. I know I won't be able to put that on, but we're gonna put this on, start it up, and then we're gonna foam up the car. I don't know how to set up the camera, but we'll try. Let's try to do it. Alright guys, bad news. So, I don't know why, but some of the water decided to freeze. Yeah, that's annoying, but I don't know. Yeah, that's kinda, that sucks. Another thing, my tint over here started to peel. Another thing, letters flew off. But we're gonna go ahead and take care of those. Tomorrow should be a little bit better and the weather should be warmer, so hopefully all that dries. But this is the car. This is how it looks. The camera looks shinier, so that's a plus. But yeah, what do you guys think? It's getting a little cold, so I'm not gonna install the side skirts yet. And yeah, I'll just have to pick you guys up tomorrow. See you then. Alright guys, it's the next day here. Today is a lot warmer than yesterday, so thank you. Thank you, Michigan, for bringing us warmer weather. So, we're about to bring the car out. About to give it another cold start. Bring it out. Let's take a look. It's still a little dirty from the water spots, but all those will go away. It looks like the ice that froze has melted, so we'll just use some of our Adams Polishes detail spray, and it'll clean it all up. Yep, they're just water now. we'll hook it up, but let's go ahead and give it a cold start. Here's the key once again. Hemi life, you know. Let's get it, guys. We're gonna pull it out now. Alright guys, we're back. As you guys can see, it is all cleaned up, spotless, nothing. So here's another look of the car. The sun just kind of went away, but it just looks crazy when the sun is out. It is hilarious. I love this color. But now we're about to head over to my grandpa's house, cut up our side skirts, make sure they fit, and then install them. Wheels are all cleaned up. I would put some tire shine on there, but I lost my applicator pad, so yeah, that's a bummer. What do you guys think? She is amazing. I love these. The tints for the side marker, it just gave it that last final touch. I do plan on, well, once I get the letters fixed, we're gonna put a 5% sun strip just to give it that black look so it can pop out, and then we're gonna tint the whole windshield. But yeah, let's go ahead and start her up. Side skirts, go install them. If anybody needs stock front bumper, stock rear bumper, I do have some for sale. So let's go ahead and move this over here. Nice and gentle so we don't scratch it. Anybody looking for quad tips, I got some. But these are our side skirts. I already got them cut to length, but when I put it on, it's too wide. It doesn't look right, so we're gonna cut them. They're 6 inches right now. We're gonna cut them to 4.5, I believe. That's gonna give it a nice look. So we're gonna go ahead and load them into the car, and I'll see you guys once I get to my grandpa's house. Alright guys, say hi.
Hi.
Hi. يلا خلوا أي خلص. So alright guys, we came here, we got the side skirt. I'm doing some measurements again, and it's coming out to 5.5. So if it's in 1/2 inch, I want to do it from the frame rail right there out, and these are sticking out 1.5 inches. The front bumper sticks out 1.5 inch. So that's what I want to do with this. But if it's 5, or if that comes out to 5.5, the measurement, and this is 6, I'll just leave it like that. So I'm doing my measurements and it's coming out to 5.5. And if that's the case, I'm just gonna go ahead and test fit these, see how they look. I got it up on whatever the hell you call those, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not gonna be able to film too much, but stay tuned guys. Alright guys, long struggle later. I got the side skirts cut to my desired length, but I'm not gonna install them today or in this video, unfortunately, because it got cold once again and the sun's about to go down. So hopefully next video they will be installed, and least I got them cut though. I don't know why I'm coming here. Oh, I don't want to show you guys what's in the garage because next or a couple of videos later. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video of at least me washing the car. I hope you guys enjoyed this look right here. There you go. Oh my god. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Once again, not trying to show you guys what's in the garage. But like I said, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you did, make sure you guys smash that like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Open that post notification bell so you guys know when my next upload is. And that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Peace out.